The number of flu deaths this season is more than double what it was at the same time last year. 8-year-old Zainab Momin is one of the latest victims of this outbreak. She died Tuesday night in Alabama. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says at least 759 people have died from the influenza virus since October 7th. And last year, there were 322 flu deaths at this same time. The virus has been killing more than 100 people a week since mid-December. Our Dr. Narula is here at the table. Tara, good morning. This is so troubling when you put the numbers in perspective.
It is. Good morning to you, Gayle. You know, the CDC says the rate of hospitalizations for the flu has doubled since December. Health officials and families are trying to spread the warning that the virus does not discriminate as the season continues to worsen.
From the time the whole thing started, the time we knew anything was wrong, the time he was gone was less than an hour and a half.
That's how fast Steve and Teresa Danaway say their son Tyler died. They say the 8-year-old collapsed at home just a day after being diagnosed with the flu.
Flipped him over on his back, and his lips were blue. So we called 911 instantly.
Tyler, who was also diagnosed with autism and a speech disorder called apraxia, suffered heart failure and couldn't be resuscitated, even at the hospital, his parents say.
He was our only child, and he was the light of our world.
The flu kills thousands of people of all ages every year.
We're seeing widespread flu throughout all 50 states.
Dr. Lisa Maragakis, Senior Director of Infection Prevention at Johns Hopkins University, says some people need to be especially careful.
The higher risk groups, the very young, those over 65 years old, and people with underlying medical conditions should seek medical care and get the antiviral medications.
Flu complications can include an infection in the lungs, like pneumonia. From there, patients can develop sepsis, a life-threatening complication that can cause blood pressure to drop, organs to fail, and even death. The exact cause of Tyler's death is being examined, but his mother never believed it could be from the flu.
I thought we would get over it and be back to school by Friday. I just never imagined him not here anymore.
Federal health officials anticipate this year's flu season will continue for at least 10 to 12 more weeks. Besides getting a flu shot, the best way to prevent the spread of the virus is to wash your hands, especially if you are around those who are infected.
Tara, thank you.